Hi guys!
Mama.
This is Myrella for today's video. Yeah, I asked Irella about the birthday party today. So, it's her kinakapatid's birthday party. And medyo matagal sila hindi nakikita kahit magkalapit lang ang mga bahay namin. Hindi naman ganun kakalapit kasi busy ang kanilang mga mommy sa kanilang mga work. So, ang mommy nung celebrant at mommy ni Irella ay classmates before in high school and they were good friends.
And they're also in college. Ay, in college hindi na.
Oo, hindi sila naging schoolmates sa college.
Kasi
They went to different schools. Pre, nung high school lang sila magkasama. So, it's her Irella's kinakapatid birthday kanina. So, tell me what happened in the birthday
this is
party.
the funniest thing. I asked Jollibee, tao ka lang.
Sabi mo, nasabi ni Jollibee. Nakakatawa naman si Jollibee. No? Bakit ba yung mga Jollibee ang gagaling nila magsayaw? Ano? Good dancers sila.
Yung isa nga sa birthday ni Chesla, nag-split. Mas magaling pa
Oh,
nga
di ba? Di ba? Yung mga mascots, good dancers sila. Though mainit talaga yung suot nila, pero short time lang
Kasi
naman.
may butas sa mata.
So, sabi mo sa kanya, tao lang siya.
Yung second naman, si Trevor, sumaya ng selos at kaibigan
Aray.
at ninong niya.
Aray, maray, masakit.
At nagsayaw sila ng
Oo nga,
selos.
ang ganda nga.
Sabi ni Trevor,
Paano magsayo si Trevor? 3-year-old si Trevor. Yung celebrant, 3-year-old siya. So, nakakatuwa.
diba? 3-year-old nagsasayaw agad.
Ang galing nga niya.
Pumanto ko nga
Ang cute nga niya mag-dance. Gumagano pa yung kanyang
Body.
butt. Ginagaya niya yung pati Jollibee kanina.
Eh.
Kakatuwa siya.
Kanina nahihiya.
What else? Did you meet some new friends?
No.
Why?
They didn't like me. Because I was different.
Different. Ba't ka naman different?
They didn't want to be my friend
Kasi siguro nahihiya sila, you're stranger with each other. Meron kasi mga batang ganun pag hindi nila kakilala. Yes. Hindi katulad kasi ni Irella. Kahit bagong kita lang niya, talaga makikipagkilala siya. She will introduce herself and yun na, play along na. Ganun lang siya kadaling pakisamahan. So, pero may sinabi ka kanina na you want, what's your name, or you want to play with them. Did you tell it to some of the guests? And they're not answering you? Okay lang yun, ganun talaga.
Alam mo,
Not all kids are friendly. Okay lang yun.
baka they're used to different friends.
Baka some other time, second meet up nyo, makapagkilala na sila, excuse me, makapagkilala na sila sa'yo at makapag-play na sila sa'yo. No?
Yes.
Okay lang yun, di ba?
Next birthday, I'll see Trevor again. Diba?
Next year na ulit yun. Kung magse-celebrate sila ng birthday, next year ulit.
Pag 6 na si Trevor, ilan taon na ako?
And then 6 minus 3.
6 minus 6. Then,
Minus 3. Ang tagal mag-isip. 6 minus 3
6?
minus 3.
What's minus?
Subtract, yes.
And dito day.
3. So, it's 3 years to go
3 years to go, and
before siya mag-6. So,
then
ngayon
when
ikaw, ito.
Trevor is 6
Wait,
na,
wait. Sige.
I'm 6 na.
Oh.
And
Trevor is 6. What age are you?
Diba, I'm 6.
Oh.
Then I'm 7. Trevor is 4. I am Ano, may ipis sa camera. And I am 8.
It's not ipis. It's
Trevor.
an
Trevor is already 6.
Hindi, ganito lang nga.
Oh! Diba?
I will teach you nga to make it easiest eh. Diba? 6 minus 3. So, 3 more years. Hoy, 3 more years and Trevor will be 6.
And then,
So, ikaw, 6 ka naman, plus add mo naman yung 3 years.
so
Oh.
I'm 60.
Oh. At 6 ka, diba?
Okay.
Oh, ayan, plus 3.
6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. It's 19.
6 plus 3 lang eh.
Okay.
Mm. Look at my fingers.
I'm already... Okay.
Oh,
Diba?
what age are you na? Pag nag-6 si Trevor.
24.
This one, oh.
5. 4. 54.
Ano ba to? 6 ka, diba? Plus 3, 7, 8, 9. O, ilan?
19.
9 lang. Ano ba yung sinasabi mo? 6 plus 3 lang eh.
6 plus 3.
Ang hina sa mathematics. O, diba 6 plus 3 lang? Si Trevor, 3 more years para maging 6 years old. It's the same with you. Plus 3 years ka. Kasi you're asking how old are you when Trevor is 6 na eh.
Gato na lang. Diba?
Hindi. That's it. That's the explanation.
My explanation. Diba Trevor is 3?
Mhm.
I'm a 6 na. So when I'm already 7, Trevor is 4. When I'm already 8, Trevor is 5. When I'm already 9, Trevor is 6.
Oh. Di ba? Tama
Nine.
naman ah.
9.
Kaya nga, that's the simplest way is to...
Wag na yung plus. Dapat yung age na
Hindi,
lang.
mahihirapan ka eh. Mas mahihirapan kang mag-solve ng mathematics. So, si Trevor plus 3 para maging 6. So, ikaw din, plus 3 ka din.
So I will put 3 more and then I'm already 9.
Oh, that's right.
Pag 9 ako, tingnan mo gagawin ni Trevor.
Oh, and Rowan will be...
5 na yun eh.
wala pa nga siyang 1 month old eh. Wala pa nga siyang 1 year old eh.
1 year old. So,
Oh, 0 siya, 0. Because he's not yet 1 year old. Oh, how old is Rowan that time?
0.
Plus 3 years.
Plus 3.
0 plus 3.
0.
0 plus 3.
0 plus 3 is still 3.
Yes.
Because he's not yet
1
1.
year old. So, 3 years old naman si Rowan. Ganon yun. Oh,
Kung si Eroy nag-16 na mo, papalo ako noon.
slow sa mathematics. Yan. That's all for
Ayaw ko
today.
na
Okay.
division, sorry.
And natutunan ka ha, how to solve ages ha. How to compute ages. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Na-stress ako sa'yo. Bye. God bless.